My name is Greg Brewster. We've been with Bath Solutions for 11 years now. Prior to joining 5-Star, I was a superintendent for a home builder, so we used to build houses. So the reason I left the industry was just relying on other people. It was hard for me to get the trades that I needed to show up on time, to do the quality of work we expected, and affordable. With Bath Solutions, it was really good. You can focus on the one room and give them exactly what they want. I come in about 7:30 in the morning, help our installers get loaded, get ready, make sure all the materials are there for them, and then I get them out the door, usually just after 8 o'clock. Then I'll go up my office and I'll check on, materials for the next day, usually a priority. Any emails we received. Once the business is really settled in and everything is flowing really well, the days don't have to be 90-hour work weeks. Yeah. I don't want to say how many hours because it's good. So we do bathrooms, 200 bathrooms a year, and every one I say, damn, this looks good. It just looks good, and the homeowners say it, and it feels good. If there's any potential issues with mold or mildew, anything of those issues, we come in, we remove it. We're giving the homeowners a great bathroom, clean, healthy for their kids, for them, and it's a long-term fix. We're not covering up the situation like other companies do, so don't cover up the problems. My success with 5-Star, honestly, I believe is because I take ownership in it.